round bottom boiling flask, 5,000 milliliters.
Well, I'd cook him one of those. A big one.
One of these. No, this is a volumetric flask. You wouldn't cook in one of these.
I do.
No, you don't. You wouldn't apply heat to a volumetric flask. That's what a boiling flask is for. Did you learn nothing from my chemistry class?
This ain't chemistry. Cooking is art, and the shit I cook is the bomb, so don't be telling me.
Shit you cook. I saw your setup. Ridiculous. You and I will not make garbage. No adulterants, no baby formula, no chili powder.
No, chili pea's my signature.
Not anymore.